Happy holidays! Today we are going to be continuing to decorate my house. Go and grab a cozy drink and let's get started. Our house is not fully ready for the holidays until Bear is dressed up and ready to take Santa to deliver presents. I was pleasantly surprised to find another Christmas decoration box in the basement. I thought that we were all done decorating in the last video, but I went to the basement with my husband and we found another one, so this is so exciting. We've had these for so long. We bought these for our first home, so this is so exciting to have these finally put up in our first home. But first, we're going to wrap a couple of presents that are ready for the elves to wrap. I got my goddaughter this beautiful necklace. She's only 3 months old, and I am so excited to give this to her. And of course, typical cat behavior, get in a box and look super adorable and cute. And there is Trinity, and she's staring from afar and totally acting like she wasn't looking at us. Okay, so let's continue decorating. If you watched part 1 of decorating for Christmas with me, then you know that I ran out of gold ribbon and now we're here and I stocked up, and let's continue wrapping my stairs with the gold ribbon. So I cut off a couple of these gold ribbon into pieces and I'm wrapping them around the tinsel. And now the full stairs are fully decorated and complete. I got these from the dollar store. They're not as big and fluffy as I wanted them to be, but it will still get the job done. And I am tying them around the tinsel. See how cute? I love it. From this angle, it looks so beautiful. And of course, there's our little attention grabber, Gizmo. I got this red ribbon from the dollar store and I decided to place it on the Christmas tree, but I'm not too sure how it looks. I don't know. What do you think? And excuse the lighting, it's terrible today, but I'm not too sure about this red ribbon. Anyways, for now I'm going to hold off on the ribbon, but look how beautiful these flowers are. I got these from the dollar store and I am going to be making this little bouquet, I guess you can say it is. It's gonna be super cute. I have this vision already in my head, so let's get started. Yes, I totally just broke that, but no need to worry, you can just put it back together. And since I have been messing around with these, the petals are looking disastrous, so let me roll up my sleeves and let's fix this. I got this floral foam from the dollar store. And I'm going to position this in this angle and I'm just going to stick this flower in there. I'm going to position this at the top left corner of this foam board as I want 2 flowers to be connected in this one for there to be enough space for them to glow. I couldn't find something to cut these. Scissors alone was not powerful enough, so I'm just going to bend it and maybe hot glue it in the end. And here's a quick glimpse to the vision. I am going to be making a whole row of these. My husband came to the rescue and he found me this tool. I'm not sure what it's called. Shears, I don't know, but it gets the job done. If you have these laying around your house, go and grab them because this is definitely going to be very helpful. And if you don't know if you have these, ask your husband or anyone who lives with you. Maybe they know if you own these. Okay, so here's the pattern. Red, 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 white. That is going to be the pattern for this floral bouquet. And now that I have a couple of these, I'm going to get my hot glue gun ready and hot and ready to start gluing. Okay, so you don't need as much hot glue as I am using here. I apparently went overboard and got a little too excited to be using hot glue gun, and I put way too much. Now I'm just going to stick these two foam boards together and hold for about 20 seconds. I have my third foam board ready, and I don't know, I thought I was going to do a whole line, but putting this above kind of looks cute and full, so I'll see how I place it. So I decided I'm just going to do one full row. Now for the last foam board of the bouquet, I am going to add 3 instead of 2, and I'm just going to try to make it as full as possible, and I'll show you why in a minute. If you look at the start of the floral arrangement, you can see that there's 3 flowers. There's 2 flowers per foam roll, and together it makes 3. And now that I am at the end of this flower arrangement, there's only 1 foam board left to attach, so I am just attaching 3 of them in one, as you can see. Alright, so this is how my floral arrangements are looking so far. Very beautiful and long. So I'm kind of playing around with the look. I don't know if I'm going to add these together. I think I might leave them separate, but I don't know, this kind of looks cute. What do you guys think? These cute little cherries, I think they are, came with the white flowers, and I'm going to be using those as fillers. There's a lot of foam boards still visible, so these are perfect for covering up those spots. See, I just added these two and it already looks a lot fuller. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. It's very full, very vibrant. I love this. And here is the second bouquet. I also got these from the dollar store. I'm going to add these to the edge of the bouquet. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I make lifestyle cleaning, organizing videos just like this. To cover up the top, I'm just going to wrap this red ribbon around the visible foam board, and since I already know where this floral arrangement is going to go, the top will not be visible, but I'm still going to cover it. Okay, so the back is totally exposed, but that's fine by me because when I place it on display, it will not be visible. Okay, so now let's go put this on display. Look at how beautiful it looks on the stairs. That's now where I'm going to place it, but I just wanted to show you how gorgeous it would look if you were to place them on the stairs. Or at your dinner table as a centerpiece, and you add some glass on the top with candles, it will look gorgeous. But the original vision was to add these at the top. Look at how gorgeous they look. My husband helped me place them up there, and they just look so nice. I am so proud with the end results. I am super curious, so what do you think? Do you like them up there? Should I add them somewhere else? Do you like this DIY floral arrangement? I want to know your thoughts. As always, thank you so much for watching my full video. I am so grateful for each and every one of you for taking the time out of your precious day and spend it with me, finish decorating my home. I wish you much blessings. Until next time, see you then.